All right, so what we've got here is a Canadian Spa Company hot tub with a Gecko system. This is the in.yj system, and this is configured for 120 volts. We're going to walk through how to configure this to 240 volts to allow you to use the high-speed pump and the heater all at the same time. So first step, what you want to do is take off your front panel, locate where your control system is. Okay, I've taken off these 4 screws here, taken off the front cover, and now you want to familiarize yourself with the controller here. What we're going to be touching to start with is the terminal block. This terminal block here is where the incoming power comes in. So this is where your electrician is going to need to run the 240 volt line into here, and then by removing these connections here, because this is for 120 volts, he's going to be able to run his wire in here. So the first step when you're converting is you want to remove this top jumper wire. Okay, this top jumper wire here that goes to the neutral at P21, right here at L2. You're going to completely remove this entire wire, so it's not connected to the board and it's not connected to the system, and put it off to the side. Your electrician can then run your line in for your 240. It's going to be from the top, line 2, then neutral, line 1, and then ground. So once this one wire here, this jumper wire is removed, the electrician runs the wires in. You can then close up this system and power it back on. The next thing you're going to want to do is power this on. Is going to be on your top side control. We're going to want to set the breaker size based off the breaker size that was configured by your electrician. Okay, to get into that menu, you want to press and hold the light button for about 20 seconds here. So you can see the time flash. You want to keep holding it though. Keep going. Until you see this menu on the screen. This little B, that's for breaker, and then this is the breaker. This is the 80% of the breaker size. So if you're converting this to, say, for example, a 40 amp breaker, you're going to want to set this to 32, because 80% of 40 amps is 32 amps. Okay? So you want to set this then to the larger breaker size, which is going to allow your heater and your pump to operate at the same time. Press again the light button, and that will reset the system for you. And you have now converted your tub to 240 volts to allow the high-speed jets and the heater to operate at the same time.